When it comes to upgrading your home, few improvements deliver as much impact as replacing your windows. For Melville homeowners, window replacement is more than just an energy-saving upgrade. It's a proven way to enhance curb appeal, improve comfort, and boost property value. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to enjoy a refreshed, more inviting home, investing in new windows is a smart choice. Enhancing first impressions with curb appeal. The exterior of your home sets the tone for how people perceive it. Outdated, cracked, or faded windows can instantly make a house look older and neglected. On the other hand, sleek, modern replacements brighten the facade and give your property a well-maintained appearance. Window styles today offer homeowners plenty of options to match any architectural design. From elegant bay windows that add depth to your home's profile, to modern casement windows that create clean lines, the right choice can transform your exterior. In Melville's neighborhoods, where pride of ownership runs high, new windows can help your home stand out in the best possible way. Adding value to your property. Homebuyers are always looking for features that reduce future maintenance costs and improve energy efficiency. New windows check both boxes. According to real estate experts, window replacement projects often deliver a high return on investment, sometimes recouping over 70% of the cost when it's time to sell. For Melville homeowners, this means more than just an aesthetic upgrade. Potential buyers see new windows as a valuable addition, reassuring them that the property has been cared for. Features such as double or triple pane glass, insulated frames, and low emissivity coatings highlight a home's energy-smart upgrades, an appealing selling point in today's competitive market. Improving energy efficiency. Long Island's climate means homes in Melville experience both chilly winters and humid summers. Old or drafty windows let conditioned air escape, forcing heating and cooling systems to work harder. This not only leads to higher utility bills but also reduces indoor comfort. Window replacement solves this problem by creating a tight seal against the elements. Modern windows with advanced glazing technologies significantly improve insulation. They keep warm air inside during winter, reduce solar heat gain in summer, and minimize outdoor noise year-round. Lower energy bills and improved comfort are benefits you'll notice immediately. Elevating interior spaces. The advantages of new windows aren't just visible from the outside. Inside your home, window replacement can completely transform how rooms feel. Larger panes allow more natural light to flow in, making spaces brighter and more welcoming. UV blocking glass also protects furniture, flooring, and artwork from fading. For families in Melville, this translates into cozier living areas and an overall improvement in day-to-day enjoyment of their home. It's an investment that pays off not just in financial value, but in quality of life. Reducing maintenance needs. Old windows often require constant upkeep, scraping, painting, or dealing with swelling frames. New vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum-clad windows eliminate much of this hassle. They are designed to resist warping, rotting, and peeling, meaning less maintenance and more time to enjoy your home. For busy Melville homeowners, low-maintenance windows are especially attractive. Not only do they look better for longer, but they also assure future buyers that they won't face expensive repairs anytime soon. The smart upgrade for Melville Homes. Window replacement is one of the few home improvement projects that consistently enhances both lifestyle and long-term value. By upgrading your windows, you improve curb appeal, reduce energy costs, and enjoy a more comfortable home. And when the time comes to sell, your investment can set your property apart in the Melville housing market. For homeowners looking to make an upgrade that blends beauty, practicality, and return on investment, window replacement is a clear choice.